Concept 6, Anchor. This can be found on 4.58. Each floating graphic in a document is attached to a particular location, such as a page or a paragraph, by an anchor. This is because floating graphics are placed on a separate graphics layer. Without the anchor, the graphic would not maintain its location in the document. When you position a floating graphic, the graphic is automatically anchored relative to wherever you position. For example, if you position it in a paragraph, it is anchored to the beginning of the paragraph. So, that's what it means by anchoring. We are going to click on our picture. We're going to click on our text wrap here. And you'll see at the very bottom we have more layout options. We're going to open that up. We're going to open up the Position tab. And we're going to make sure that we have this little box checked, Move Object with Text. As long as that's selected, we're going to click OK. The next thing we're going to do is rotate a picture. We are going to scroll up to the top of the document where we have our little giraffe. We're going to select the giraffe and we're going to select our rotate handle, which is the green one here, and we're going to drag it just a little bit to give it this kind of cockeyed feel. You'll note when I've done this, it's kind of messed up my picture, so I may have to adjust my size and space and all that to make sure it all works. But that's what it should look like when it's done. It tells us to add a picture effect. So add a picture effect of your choice. I'm going to choose a little bit of shadow. And it tells us to zoom out of our document and to make sure that everything is looking good and adjust anything that's not looking good. And see our various text boxes may look a little too big right now. As long as everything ends up looking okay, pleasing to the eye, that's acceptable. And that's pretty much the last thing they want us to do. Other than they mention customizing bullets. So we'll go ahead and customize bullets and we'll call it a day. We'll zoom in here and select our 3 bulleted items. And we're going to come up to our bullets area. You'll see when you click on that, you'll see that we have define new bullet as an option. When we go in here, we'll see that we have options for symbols or pictures. Symbols, all sorts of different things that we can use. Peace signs, smiley faces, bombs, skulls and crossbones. Let's go with the skulls. You also have things, and you can see live preview, you also have pictures. And when you list in the picture list, you'll see that there are lots of different pictures as well. And so pick something that you like. I'm going to go with my little skulls and click OK. And you'll see that now we have some custom bullets. And that pretty much sums it up for Lab 4.